to Tots TV.
One red apple, juicy and sweet. Two yellow bananas, such a tasty treat. Three green pears hanging from the tree. Let's count the fruits, come with me. Counting fruits, 1, 2, 3. Yummy and healthy as can be. Learning numbers, having fun. Counting fruits, one by one. 4 orange oranges, round and bright. 5 purple grapes, what a lovely sight. 6 big strawberries, red and fine. Let's count the fruits one more time. Counting fruits, 1, 2, 3. Yummy and healthy as can be. Learning numbers, having fun. Counting fruits, one by one. 7 blueberries in a little bowl. 8 ripe mangoes, golden and whole. 9 sweet cherries, red and round. 10 watermelons, the best we found. Now we've counted 1 to 10. Let's count the fruits all over again. Fruits are yummy, fruits are fun. Healthy and tasty for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel.